Hello guys, are you a beginner in forex trading? Do you want to learn how to trade perfectly? Do you want to grow your account or make massive profits? Do you want to be a successful trader as a beginner? Please don't you to my DM. I will be dropping my links on my comment section. Please, this video is actually for you as a beginner in forex trading. Please watch this video to the end. You will learn a lot of things inside this video. So if you want to be a professional, good trader, please watch it to my DM. I'll be dropping my links on my bio and on my comment section. And please don't forget, if you are in for an account management, punch it to my DM. Let's make this magic young. Let's make massive profit. Let's make massive profit. So if you're actually in this trade right now, you know what to do. You know exactly what to do. Go and place this trade and let's make massive profit together. As you can see, this market is actually going to go massively. And for the information, we are trading volatility 75 index. Yes, and we are using one lot size to trade up this market. So actually, if you are actually a professional or maybe you know about this market, you know what I'm talking about. You'll see my equity I use and trade this market. It's actually on a company account that I'm managing. So if you are in for an account management, point it to my DM. Had this account in 20k follower, in 20k equity, 20k capital. Now we made a lot of profit. We grew this account from 20k to this particular profit, this particular equity. So what are you waiting for? Punch it to my DM and let's make magic the young. Alright, so for the record, this market is actually going to, okay, look at this double bottom over here, playing into reverse over here, but we know that no matter how long you reverse, you're still going to come down massively. So but if you want to close this, I'm taking this trade for a very long time. So even if you reverse this and go up to this particular standard, you are still going to come down and still going my way. That's exactly how you do it. So if you're actually having small equity and stuff, you are free to close, but I'm not losing this trade because I'm taking it for a very big day or very long process. So we are actually in this market for a very long time. So don't, if you want to make money with me, don't close. Let's make massive money. And on my group, on my VIP Telegram channel, all of them, they are in this market right now because I gave them this signal. So all of them will be in this market right now, making a lot of profit. So what did I tell you? So in case you are actually having small equity account, please, this account, now is the time for you to close up. But if you want to make massive profit like this, then I won't blame you if you stay like me. So I will be showing you guys on how profitable this market goes. Okay, I think the force of the down pressure didn't allow it to go up, like I said. So definitely this market is coming down massively. So this market is going to give us a lot of profit. Don't be deceived. This market is going to give us a lot of profit. So learn from the best, learn from professional. So come to my DM. Let me manage your account, your small or big equity account. Let me make massive profit for you. Let's grow your particular account to massive profit. Come to my DM. Don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Follow on the bell notification so that you can be able to get notified anytime we drop a video in this YouTube. So like and comment, share this video to as many as you want, as many as your friends are, that we are actually making massive profit. This market is actually going to confuse you right now because you don't exactly know what the market is doing. But me, I'm staying till this market goes massively down. The reason why this market is actually being convincing right now because of this particular double bottom. Yeah, we call this particular double bottom. So if you're going in this market, just know that this double bottom is actually, it calls for a reversal. It comes with a reversal. So I don't know if the market is going to reverse so fast, so freaking fast, or it's still going to break down and start going to profit. But I know exactly what I'm trading, so I'm going to stick to this market breaking down. So, but if you are strong enough, feel free to join me. Let's make massive money, make massive profit together. Yes, as you can see, this market is actually going so how will I put it? This market is actually going so bushy. Don't have a particular place to go to, but trust me, look at what I'm saying. Look at what I'm saying. Trust me, this market is actually going to come down massively. Yeah, that's it. That's it. This market is going to come down massively with no reversal over there. See how spiking this market could be. How much this market have given us in the less than 50 few seconds. I don't go and check because I'm looking for massive profit. I'm not even going to close today. I'm not going to close now. I'm not going to close anytime soon. So we are going to make massive profit, and we are going to make it to be precisely. So if you're actually in this market, congratulations to you on your massive profit. Okay, I've seen my downlines commenting they're on massive profit, 10k, 20k, 15k, 2k, $100, $200. Okay, seeing it. So you are wasting time for not joining this particular trade, and you are making a big mistake for not joining this particular trade. If you are in my VIP Telegram channel, so VIP Telegram channel, I drop trade anytime I want to. I drop signal anytime I want to trade, and we make money together. If you're actually having a little bit equity, I'll tell you. If you're actually if you're a long process trade, I'll give you information that okay, this is actually a long process trade. Please don't come to this trade because this trade is going to drop you down to zero kobo or $0. So let's do this. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video, comment what you think about this particular market, and don't forget to subscribe on the subscription button down there, and share this video to massive profit to many as you can. So let's go to massive profit. I'm not going to close this market, so I'm going to leave this market till it comes down. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel and watch this video and watch how much equity we got in our next trade. Yes, so have a nice day, and don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and have a nice day. Have a good trade.